Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a silhouette on the moon video effect on CapCut PC. So go to your photo first and select cutout and select auto cutout. Then I am going to go to stickers here and I'm just going to try to find a picture, a sticker of a moon. I will select this one and I'm just going to adjust this, I'm going to adjust this a little bit. And I'm going to select the image, go to adjustments, and you're going to adjust the saturation, the brightness, the contrast, highlight, shadow, whites, and blacks until you get a silhouette. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!